Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 455, assign cookies. So first we're gonna look into the problem statement, then we'll check out the approach which you're gonna use, and at the end we'll see the code as well. So starting with the problem statement, it is given that assume you are an awesome parent and want to give your children some cookies, but you should give each child at most one cookie. Okay, at most one cookie. Each child I has a greed factor gi, which is the minimum size of cookie that the child will be content with, and each cookie j has a size sj. If s of j is greater than equal to g of I, we can assign the cookie j to the child I. Okay, so basically, we'll given two arrays g and s, and g will represent the greed factor, s will represent the size of cookie, and we can give any cookie to a child only if the size of cookie is either greater than or equal to the greed factor of that particular child. Okay, and we have to calculate how many number of children will get the cookies. Okay, it's a simple problem. So let's check out the approach which you're gonna use. So we'll be using two pointers and sorting method to solve this problem. Okay, and we have two arrays basically. Okay, and I'll one pointer will point to the element which I want to process in the greed factor, and one pointer will point to the size of the cookies array. Okay, now what we have to do is, like, we have to iterate through the arrays, and we'll check if the element which I am pointing at in gi, can the size of the cookie which I'm pointing at currently, which is this one at the moment, can it satisfy the children or not? If yes, then what we'll do, we will simply increment both these counters. For example, in this case, we have 1 1, right? So this cookie can be assigned to this children. So now what we'll do, we'll increment the pointers, and now we'll point this, right? Now, is it possible to assign this cookie to this children? No, because the greed factor of this children was greater than the size of the current cookie. Assume that you have another element in the size factor. Now what you'll do, you will again update your pointer of size to the next element, and now, like, and this pointer will remain same, like the children pointer will remain same, the size pointer will be updated. Okay, now it is possible to assign this cookie to the children, so we will assign this cookie. Now this pointer will also be updated to the next one, but we don't have anything to process here, so the maximum cookie which we can process is, for example, the index will be 0 1 2, so we can simply return the index of the g pointer. Okay, so let's check out the code for this. Okay, so what I'm doing over here is I am sorting both the arrays first, so that we'll get the elements in order, and after that we are initializing two indices, s index and, like, basically two pointers, s index and g index. Now I want to run a loop till I finish either of the two arrays. Okay, either I finish the g array or the s array. Okay, I want to run this loop. Now what we are doing over here is, s index basically represents the size of the cookie, g index basically represents the greed factor. So now I'm checking if the size of the current cookie is greater than equal to the greed of the current child or not. If it is, then what we are doing, we are incrementing in the g index as well, right? We are adding 1 in the g index, and we will try to process the next children. Otherwise we won't update the pointer which is for the greed index, and we'll just simply update the cookie size pointer, let's say. Okay, and once this loop is all done, we will simply return the g index value. So let's check out the test cases, and as you can see, the test cases got clear. Let's submit it for further evaluation again, and the solution got accepted, and I would say, like, we have performed fairly well. I would say, it might be not be the most optimized version of it, but yeah, it got accepted. So thanks a ton guys for watching out the video. Stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.